Hi, so I'm going to show you how to create explosion quickly using this brand new Blender add-on called Explosive. So I'm gonna select the style of the explosion that I wanna create. I'm gonna select area. I'm gonna go to the shader tab and select a shader. And I can check fire, shockwave, trails, and sparks if I wanna add those things, but I'm just going to go ahead and click on generate. I'm gonna resize the explosion. And that's it. We've created a photorealistic explosion in less than 4 minutes.